Hey everyone, I just wanted to get on real quick and share something with you because there's only a few more days to take advantage of this really cool deal with doTerra. So I am going to share my screen with you and show you this. So anyone who gets a starter kit with doTerra this month is going to get 50 points added to their account next month, and that is equal to $50 worth of free essential oils. So if you have other products, it might be a little bit less, like shampoo or vitamins or anything like that, but it would be $50 worth in free oils of your choice. So that's pretty awesome. So I wanted to show you what those kits look like. So this would be the biggest kit you could get in order to benefit from these $50 for free. And just to give you an idea of a lot of the products that doTerra has. So let's see, where should we start? Some basics that you wouldn't need to learn how to use. Toothpaste, the doTerra On Guard toothpaste is amazing. Doesn't have fluoride and it does have xylitol, so it's really good for you. Also using the On Guard formula, which is a beautiful blend that's great for your immune system. It's great for protecting against germs. There's a mouthwash with that blend. Oh, and it's got clove, cinnamon, wild orange, eucalyptus, rosemary. It's really good for gum health. Oops, that's actually the mouthwash. This is a foaming hand soap, which is just absolutely smells wonderful. Also in the On Guard family are On Guard soft gels, which I take an hour when I'm getting sick, and then a cold would not come on. Let's see, where else should we go? The fractionated coconut oil that you can use to dilute your essential oils if you like. Unscented lotion, which you can also use to mix with your essential oils. Shampoo and conditioner are absolutely fabulous. The Deep Blue Rub is kind of like an icy hot, but without all the toxic chemical ingredients. And Correct-X, same kind of thing. This is an antibiotic ointment with essential oils, but without all the petroleum products of most of the ones on the market. This item right here is amazing for athletes and dancers and anyone who wants to have increased lung capacity. It's the Breathe Vapor Sticks. You would just like rub it right on your chest if you're feeling sick or want to expand your lung capacity. Probiotics, enzymes, and our Lifelong Vitality Pack supplements, which I'm going to do a whole other video about those because they are life-changing. And then a whole range of essential oils to start you on your essential oils journey. So let's see what we've got. Lavender, lemon, peppermint, frankincense, melaleuca, wild orange, On Guard, past tense, serenity, balance. Oh, I got this screen that keeps coming up. There we go. Digest Zen, aroma touch, and I would go over what all of these oils are used for with you. Breathe, serenity, past tense, and what else? I think, On Guard beadlets, the On Guard hand sanitizing mist, and the beautiful box to store your oils in, plus a wonderful diffuser, the Lumo diffuser. So this would be a super, super awesome way to start your natural living journey. And again, I would be there to teach you how to use all of these products. This is a biggie. You may want to start with something slightly smaller. So this would be a way that you could eliminate a lot of the products that have toxic ingredients, like shampoos and conditioners that just you don't even know what's in half of those. On Guard toothpaste, the On Guard cleaner concentrate, the On Guard foaming hand wash, and the On Guard hand sanitizer, plus a collection of 10 essential oils that are going to be really, you can replace most of your medicine cabinet with these 10 oils. So again, we would go over them once you got them. So, oh, that's funny. They have the different names for a different market on these. And this comes with a really wonderful diffuser, the little Brevi diffuser. By the way, when you get a kit with doTerra, it comes for free with a wholesale membership that's going to get you a 25% discount for the entire year. So, and then the following year, when you renew, if you want to renew your membership, which you will, it's $25, but it comes with a free bottle of peppermint. So it winds up being kind of a wash. And here is another option for kits that you could start out with. And this is actually my favorite one at the moment. Aside from that first one the big one that I showed you, because in January, we are going to be doing a group cleanse that I'm going to make a whole nother video about with two of the doctors on our team. So it's with a naturopath and an acupuncturist who are both absolutely wonderful. And they're going to be guiding us on a Facebook group. They'll be guiding us through this month-long cleanse using the doTerra cleansing products. So the foundation of that cleanse is the Lifelong Vitality Pack, which are these 3 supplements right here. So it's really interesting that I was just realizing that when you are trying to lose weight, if your body is not getting the nutrition it needs, if you're not getting proper nutrition, it's actually sometimes going to hold on to what it's got. It's going to be stubborn and say like, oh, we're not getting the nutrition we need, so let's hang on to everything we have. So these would be actually a really good addition to any kind of weight loss regime, but also just to having comprehensive health, because these are the most intelligently created, comprehensive supplements that are available out there today. So let me just go through them super quick, and then we'll come back and do another video on them. My favorite one is this Z Omega, and it's a combination of 5 anti-inflammatory essential oils, as well as the highest quality fish oil available. I think the essential oils help so that they don't repeat up on you. At least I've never had them come back on me like other fish oils tend to do. It's also got astaxanthin, which is a very highly anti-inflammatory algae. So this is what you're going to need for, none of us are getting the omegas we need. You couldn't eat enough salmon to get the omegas that we need every day. So this is for your heart health, for your brain health, for your immune system, and for your joint health. Anyone with any kind of joint issues, inflammation, you definitely want to be taking these. I feel a difference when I miss them. Let's put it that way. The Microplex VMZ is your basic multivitamin, and that one is in a food base, so it actually gets assimilated in your system. So it gets delivered and used by your body rather than peed out and a waste of money like a lot of supplements. The Alpha CRS is our antioxidant and cellular longevity complex. So it's going to help damaged cells get flushed out and help healthy cells to produce more energy. So this is a natural way you're going to get energy, the way your body's meant to produce energy without stimulants. This one's also going to be helpful for metabolism. So if you're trying to lose weight, these are great. If you're just trying to have healthy, proper, full nutrition, this is going to be great. Everybody reports more energy and less pain, better hair, skin, and nails, which is a sign that your body is getting all the nutrition it needs for its major processes so that the surplus can go to things like your hair, skin, and nails. Okay, so what else is in here? Also in the cleanse we're going to be needing our enzymes, our digestive enzymes, as well as our probiotics. So this, starting out with these would give you a really nice head start in December to prepare for the cleanse in January. These are products that I use every single day in my life. So this is a really good foundation for the cleanse we're going to be doing. And then the Deep Blue Rub is just phenomenal for anybody with aches and pains. And then these 5 oils are 5 of the base oils that you really need to start your oils journey. Lemon for gentle cleansing, On Guard for immune system, Balance, which I use as my daily perfume with benefits that just keeps me grounded, lavender for relaxation and among many other things, and frankincense, which is the king of the oils that is good for absolutely everything. And we'll talk more about that when I teach you how to use your oils. And then this is just the basic kit that if you just wanted to get started with some oils, you can pretty much replace your whole medicine cabinet with these 10 oils and this great Brevi diffuser. This is in the 5 milliliter size, which is 85 drops, which if you only need a couple drops per serving, this is going to get you a long way. So let's see. Hang on. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to work this thing. All right, I'm going to quit out of this share. Oh, there we go. That's what I wanted. Okay, so let's see. There we go. So you can see the prices of each one of these kits. The Healthy Start Kit with the 10 oils is $160, which is a $25 savings, and then you're going to get the $50 in free oils next month, so that's a $75 savings. The Healthy Habits, which is the one that'll set you up for the cleanse, is $195, which includes already a $75 savings, plus the $50 you'll get back next month is $125 savings. And then the Healthy Home Kit, which can help you eliminate a lot of the toxic products in your life, that's $350 or a $90 savings, plus the $50 you'll get back, so that's $140 savings. Or the Natural Solutions Kit, which is the big one that'll really have you set up, $570, $250 savings over if you were to buy all of those products individually, plus the $50 that you'll be getting back next month is a $300 savings. So this is just in November that they're offering this $50 in free product points. So they'll be put into your account in December that you can use in December. So this is really an awesome offer from doTerra, and whenever anyone gets a kit through me, I become your lifelong resource. So I would include you in all of our Facebook groups, and we would do a health consultation and find out what are your health needs, what's going on with you and your family, and how can each of the oils and products help support you. So yeah, so, and our greater doTerra team is filled with wonderful doctors and healers and just wonderful people that you can ask a question on Facebook anytime, day or night, and get an answer. So now really is, if you've been curious about essential oils and wondering why everybody is talking about them, it's a really good month to start. Plus, in December, there's going to be a way that I can help you get a free bottle of frankincense, which, like I said, is the king of the oils. I'm going to be talking a lot about frankincense in the next few weeks. And lay that, as we say in Hawaii. Okay, y'all. So feel free to get in touch, and let's get you started on your oils journey and start getting healthy. Aloha.